You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, this recipe, literally meaning bread of cheese. They are Brazilian cheese balls. So let's learn how to pronounce that in Brazilian, or in Brazilian Portuguese, I should say. Pão, pão. That means bread, I believe. Pão de queijo. Pão de queijo. It's easy once you know. Let's listen to it again. Pão de queijo. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.